Lovely, upgraded, 3-bedroom plus den, 3 full bath, Jasmine Grand floor plan. Enter into the huge great room and behold the 14-foot ceilings. Cook in the large well-stocked kitchen. Entertain in the formal dining room. Pass through the pocketing sliding glass doors and step out into the spacious screen lanai that offers a custom-made summer kitchen, television sitting area, and inviting pool and spa, with sun shelf. If style, detail and comfort are important to you, then this is your vacation home. Enjoy the luxurious master bath or relax in the den. And if sport is on your itinerary, walk, jog, or bike on the over 8 miles of nature trails, kayak down the Cypress Waterway to the Gulf of Mexico, work out in the state-of-the-art fitness center, swim laps in one of the community pools, play tennis, pickleball, or take a yoga class. Located just 4 miles to downtown Naples' famous 5th Avenue, this gated community is where you want to be.